Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about zodiac Pisces, and this reading is for June 2020. Okay, I'm directly going towards reading. What is in my June 2020 for my dear Pisces? What is in June 2020 for my dear Pisces? At the bottom of the deck you have the page of swords, maybe like energy. Someone is going to lie to you, someone want to hide something from you. That's what it is. Now the first card for you is the wish fulfillment card, success card, and marriage card. Mostly this is the successful and marriage card. Okay, you can see that these both persons are going to tie with each other, and this is from universe, because this ribbon is going towards up over the sky. This is from universe has given you this happy home life, this marriage, these boundaries to protect you. Okay, these ones are covered with leaves, that these ones are still live, and they are protecting you. Yes. The other card is the new beginning. This card is also given by you to you by a universe. Okay, the sun is rising, coming out of the clouds, and the darkness is fainting, and light is coming out, and this thing is given to you by universe. Yes, this is a peaceful thing. This desire to start something new beginning with someone else, with passion, with love, with hurt, with good desires. What else is for you over here? What's for my dear Pisces? In June 2020, you have your soulmate card. This is a soulmate card. This is the two becoming one. This is a couples card and enjoying card. You can see that there is both friends are going to meet. Also that card, these two friends are going to spend a happy time with each other. They are sharing with each other, they are sharing their cups with each other, they are giving and taking over here. Something is giving and something is taking from them. Yes, you can also see how beautiful this card is. The mountain, the tree, the grass, the stream, fish is for money, and also the turtle is for the slow time. Yes, you are having it. You have this card of justice. Something is this is justice for you. This is good for you. This all happening is for you for some reason. You have done something good, something um, which liked by the universe, liked by Allah, and that's why you are you're gaining this prize, this trophy. This marriage is for you a trophy. Okay, what else? What else for my dear Pisces in June 2020? Yeah, this June is good for you. You are going to spend a good time in this. Someone is going to marry in this June, or have already married, and you are spending the good time with your life partner, with your divine, you are going to be fulfilled. Your hopes are going to fulfill. You are going to fulfill your desires, your uh, yes, your desires, your whatever you want is going to given you by the universe, by Allah. What is this? This sign of ram, what kind sign, Aries sign. I think someone Aries, you are going to marry, or they are loved one for you. These are your desires. They are going to fulfill your desires. Something is with this Aries sign is over. I all in this time. This is the first time I have seen this Aries sign over this cloth. Yes. Now you are going to be happy. There is lotus flowers over here. Very pure, very good time, very happy time. Yes. But there is some kind of heartbroken, heartbroken. Your heart is on fire. Something is going wrong over here. What is this about? Something is slowly happened. That's why you are heartbroken, or maybe you want this thing to be happen soon, fastly. You want to these things, these happiness right now, and this is very slow moving. That's why you are unhappy over here. Yes, you are defending yourself. You're defending this relationship. Maybe they have very much choices, and you know that if someone other had taken them away from you, or someone had taken you from them. That's why you are very heartbroken over here. You are very stressful. This is some kind of lie over here once again. Before this you have this also, once again also. This card is for lying. Someone is lying to you. Someone is betraying you. Something is going because of some money matter. Some new money is going to be starting some new business. So that's why you are going to be late with this, and you are not happy with it. What is this? Yes, because of this money matter, you are heartbroken, and also you are having the nightmares. You are not going to sleep well. You are stressful. You are stuck over here in this wind, or whatever this is, portal. You are stuck over here. Stop thinking about this. Something is new is going to begin, and you are stressful about this. What else? Yes, about your money matter. Why are they so stressful over this? Why are my dear Aquarius are so stressful? Oh no, not okay. Yes, I think you are stressful because this situation is going to take a time, and you are want this thing to happen as soon as be possible. You want this now, and this is going to be taking a time. Something is hidden over here. Something is going to take its time, because of this hidden thing, this moon, three moon. You are weeping. Some lady is weeping over here. Some ladies want to happen this thing fastly, and that is not going to be. This whole procedure is going to take the time, and you want this to now. This whole cup is full with water, and it is overflowing. Your heart is overflowing with their love, and this condition needs money. The money is over your head. These all things need money. If you want to marry them, you you need the money, and this money is the problem over here in this marriage. Yes, something is changing over here. Something new is beginning. Something new and good, inshallah, is beginning towards you. Something is changing. Something is hidden over here, and something is glowing over here. That is the dark area, and that is the lighted area. What is this about? Yes, the dark area is about the waiting. You are waiting for them. This wait is taking very long, and you don't want to wait now. You want them now. And the lighted one area is that you know that you are going to have them. At some time you are going to have them. They are for you only. You know that, but you are still not happy. You are thinking about them. You want them. That's also the thing that someone is getting stressed, getting burdened, because they are waiting for someone. They love them. They want them. Love is not going to wait for someone. Or the lovers are not able to wait for their loved one. They want them now. That's what the problem is here. Now your son is coming. They are coming for you. Son, happiness, success, abundance, all the good things are happening to you in this season. I think this is a season of spring. What comes after spring? Or not autumn? Autumn, spring, winter, whatever. In this August or June, July. Maybe they are coming in this June. Yes, this is a hot season. I forget the name of this season. But you know in the June and the August which season is over that. Yes, you are going to be like this Queen of Wands. You are a creative person. You are happy over here. You can see that she is blowing this lyra over here. There she is playing with it. She is there is peaceful time over here. She is feeling well, happy. I think you are going to marry in this season, this hot season. I think, or they are coming in this season towards you. Yes, that's what I am getting from here. At the bottom of the deck, yes, they are coming. They are coming towards you. There is a sun full glowing over here, or they are at maybe they are coming at the evening time. When you meet them, when you see them, they are at the evening time in the hot day. Yes, in very hot day or evening. There is also evening over here. Yes, you are going to see them at evening. Yes, be prepared for that. You are going to see them. They are coming towards you. What else? Something more, something good. And oh no, not all of this, but let's see. Something is going very slowly, but they are coming towards you. They're coming towards you. They are coming towards you. You can see they are coming towards you. They are fighting for you with someone, or they're in your job with their boss. They want the leave and they are not giving them, or they are fighting with their have a conversation with their parents to marry you, to come towards you. Yes, they want to fulfill their promise to you, give you care for you. Yes, the justice is going to be happen. Yes, that's the good time. You have to be patient. You have to be healed. before they had come to you, you have to be healed, you have to be look beautiful and healthy, and be prepared for that time. It's coming. I think in this June you are going to be married. Yes, I think they are coming very slow, but when they had come, this all happened very fast. Once they had come to you, this all is going very fast. You are going to marry them very fast. You have no time for that. Be prepared for that time. You are going to be healed at this time. Be happy. They are coming towards you. You are juggling now. You are also juggling now. You are not feeling well. What about this juggling? Yes. Maybe they are coming soon or not. You are thinking that if they are coming soon or not. That's what you are juggling about. You are still thinking about this. You are still burdensome. You are still stressed for this thing. You have in love with them. You love them very much. They are very lucky person that you love them very much, and I think they are also love you as you love them. They also love you as much. The Empress. This all about to do something. You want your happy home life. You want to be winner. You want to be with them. This is the winning card. This is the Empress card. This is the King Queen card. You want to you want to have them. That's why you are like this. Somebody has backstabbed you. Somebody is doing something bad to you. This is not good for you. Why this is situation taking that much time? Something about this Ten of Swords. Something about this Ten of Swords. Why is this card is over here in this situation? Why this card is over here in this situation? Why this card is over here in this situation? Yes. They are trying to win you. They are fighting with someone. They had a quarrel with someone to come towards you. Yes. They want to win you. To defeat someone. They are fighting over you. Five of Cups. They are not happy without you. I am getting this, that they are not happy without you. They want a time with you. They are coming towards you. They are running towards you. They want some help from others. And this help is by money. They need money to come towards you. Some advice, something to know about this situation. What is this? Oh, Thala. This is the Thala sign. Ancestral property. Oh yes. Maybe they are fighting with their ancestors or their parents or their older ones. Inherited property or possession, house, home. Yes, they are fighting over their home like things. Maybe they need some home to live with you, and they are fighting over that thing. They are making the home for you. That's why they are getting late. And Various string. No upside, outwards, greed, hate, jealousy. Turn something to invisible. Cursed, toxic monster. This is the sign that whatever they are fighting for, that's not the good thing. They have to do with with this thing with the love, with respect. Don't fight on that thing. That is not good for them. Or maybe for some of you, only some of you, one or two. Maybe this whole thing is for this marriage is for some kind of property. 35, number 35. Number 35 change, some kind of change. Clear your heart and mind through negative changes can be of plus or. Okay, that's what I say, that they don't have to fight for home, fight for their heritage. That is not good. As long as their parents are alive, they have no right on that things in their parents' life, in your parents' life. That is not good for them or anyone. It's their property. They don't have the right to do this. They don't have the right to fight them. I encourage you to welcome or accept these change. Okay. This all thing is attracting them. Uh, they want them these things, and as long as they don't they are not um, having these things or not winning in this aim, they are not going to come towards you, and you have to accept it or make some kind of changes to change their change their mind about that thinking. Transition period, learn from it. Okay, this is a time for you and that person to learn about this situation, learn from this situation. What are you doing right, what is wrong? If you are fighting for this heritage in this time with your parents, your children or kids are going to fight you when they are younger and you are older. They also fight with you for that thing, tit for tat. Okay, okay. But make it in your mind that there is some one there who is making the change every now and then and help you. Okay, now listen. Leave this situation to Allah, to the higher powers, and they will give you some kind of help. They will change something for you. 7 secure living. Okay, by leaving this world, this is good for you, and safe and secure living. Okay, and also your person is doing this for your own safety, your safety, your child safety, your relationship safety. Mother Earth, femininity, love. Yes, they are doing this too for your love, because they had made some promise to you. They had made promise to you that they will give you the everything, everything, um, like love, like their love, like home, like everything. And that's why they are fighting to their parents, but this is not the right way. If you are not going to stop them, it's also not good for you also. Femininity. Okay, you have to stop them to fight their parents. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Yes, this is the all you have. You have to give them, not to take from them. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. You can make your living by what you get, but you can't make a life by what you get, and you only make the life by what you give your parents, give your in-laws your time, your care. That will give you more, much more than this. Yes, this is the advice for you, for now. If you want this thing to happen early, tell your person that don't fight over any heritage. Just tell them that they want to marry you and marry each other. The universe will give you what you want, what all you want. The universe want it from universe. Yes, they will give you at the right time. Don't fight over these things. These are nothing. These are only material things. Don't fight over them. Yes, that's the what the problem. That was the change. Uh, that was a delay in your life, in your marriage. Take these things out of your life, and you will get married as soon as possible. That's the reading for you, my dear Pisces. Yes, I think this is for Pisces. Yes, and I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe this reading. It will make me happy, and with lots of love, lots of wishes. Bye.